Will be shelters open in Miami-Dade and Broward counties.
But they are a last resort, and our team coverage continues with Local 10's Christian De La Rosa live outside one shelter on Coral Way. Christian.
Well, there was a little bit of a delay out here in opening the shelter, but it is now officially open. This is the Fuchs Pavilion at the Miami-Dade County Fairgrounds. And take a look behind me, the parking lot, if you can see the number of vehicles starting to trickle in. We also have video from inside just a little while ago. Go ahead and take a look. Workers have been setting up over the past couple of hours. They're not only expecting people to pour in, but also their pets. So we know that there's at least one pet per person limit at this point. So they're ready to take in people, ready to take in pets. We also know that they're expecting a lot of people from Monroe County to start coming in over the coming hours. Back out live to this picture. Again, this is the Fuchs Pavilion on Coral Way at the Miami-Dade County Fairgrounds. We know that a lot of people had been calling in throughout the afternoon waiting for it to open. It is now officially open. There are 3 other locations that we've posted those locations for you on local10.com. As soon as we're done here with you, we're going to go inside and see what the situation is like right now. Back to you.
And Christian, you will have a better idea once you see inside, but they can't stress enough that they just have the bare essentials in there. You really need to bring your personal items, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. We cannot stress enough. Officials have been saying all day that once they open these shelters, this should be your last resort. This is meant for people that really have no other place to go.
All right, some great tips and great advice. Kristen De La Rosa. Kristen, thanks a lot.